Today, I'll show you how AutoSum in Excel saves time by writing formulas for you. It's the quickest way to get totals, averages, and counts from a column or row of numbers without typing a single formula, and it's perfect for beginners who want fast results. First, set your goal and prepare the sheet. Decide which column or row of numbers you want to add. Click the empty cell where you want the total to appear, usually right below the column or to the right of the row. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon, look to the right for the editing group, and click the AutoSum Sigma icon. Excel will try to guess the range you want to use and draw a moving dotted selection around those cells. When Excel selects the range, look at the formula bar. Excel has already written the formula for you, for example, AutoSum A1 aten. If the highlighted range matches the numbers you want, press Enter and the total appears. If the range is wrong, click and drag over the correct cells, then press Enter. This gives you a quick peek at how Excel functions are built. The formula starts with an equal sign, followed by the function name, and then the arguments in parentheses, like AutoSum A1 aten. Seeing the formula AutoSum creates helps you learn the structure for writing your own formulas later. One extra tip. AutoSum does more than add. Click the small drop-down arrow next to the AutoSum icon, and you can choose average, count numbers, max, min, and other functions. When you pick one, Excel inserts the matching function, for example, average, just like it did with sum. If Excel guesses the wrong cells, don't worry, you can always correct the selection before pressing Enter. Click the correct first cell, drag to the last cell you want included, and then hit Enter to lock in the result. That's all there is to it. AutoSum is a simple tool that teaches you formula structure while getting work done faster. And once you get used to it, you'll find yourself writing fewer manual formulas and saving time on routine calculations. Thanks for watching, and try AutoSum on a few sets of numbers to see how it behaves. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.